So as you probably know from watching my videos and reading my website, thisoldgal.com, I am a fanatic about having organization of my kitchen spices and seasonings and flours and pastas and grains and everything. Hi, I'm Jill from thisoldgal.com. So today I want to show you a new product that I found. I was not paid for this. I purchased these all on my own. I actually purchased different brands and I kept what I like, and the other brands I returned. So this is a brand that I settled on, I really like. It's Dwellza Kitchen. So these are really cool. They are clear. They are a thick acrylic, BPA free. They have a really nice locking mechanism. They come in white and black. Now, normally I would have chosen the white, but I like the way the black looks with the labels that I bought. So this is what you do. You open that up. The lid comes up. Spring action. Really nice. Fill it, and when you close it, all you do is, see that? Take this and just turn it. It makes it watertight and airtight. So the first set I got was a 5-piece set. So it came with this one, which I think holds about 4 cups maybe. It's about 6 inches tall. And then I got these small ones. This came with the first set of 5, but I also bought a set of 6, and I'm going to be getting some more. Then you've got a taller one. Yes, I have it labeled sugar-free candy. We're on the keto diet, so these are great for quick little treats every once in a while. And another one this size. This is actually my favorite size. I really like this size a lot. And that's how it came. So there's other sizes, of course. So I'm going to move this over. Now, we have a ton of different kinds of flours and breadings that I like to use. So I bought a set of this size, which is really nice. We have one that we keep in a dried vegetable mix, and see that's labeled. This is pork rinds that I've grinded up because when I'm following a low-carb diet, which I'm doing now, I use this as a breading. So it's really good. And this you get a set of 4. So those are nice. They also have ones that are taller than this, and then they also have some that come 5 pounds for flour. I see Ed coming. What you got there, Ed? Oh, he's bringing Junie Moon. Hi, Junie Moon.
And cat treats.
Well, Junie Moon likes this. Oh, yes, it's good for cat treats. Sweet cat treats. You know, Junie Moon is very old, and we're having a problem with her. She's been in kidney failure for, I think, 11 years now. So I don't advocate cat treats, but in order to get her to eat, she eats raw food, we have to sometimes put this in front of her face, which starts her up. She'll eat 1 or 2, and then she eats her raw food. Anyway, oh, Ed's giving her one. That's enough, that's enough.
Oh, she dropped it.
Oh, she dropped it. Junie Moon. So this is my little Junie Moon. She's not doing too well. She's 18 years old, and as I said, kidney failure, so we give her fluids and everything. But anyway, I'm not here to talk about Junie Moon. I really love these containers. Junie, when I put you down, okay? Yes, this is my honey. This is the love of my life.
This is not a handle. Do not flip it like this and carry them because it's unlocked. I saw somebody on Facebook was complaining, oh, I was carrying it by the handle and it fell apart. It's no good.
Yeah, they gave us a negative review. I was reading the Amazon reviews as well, and I'm looking, the reviews are really great. Then this one has a 1. And they said, I don't recommend these. When I try carrying by a handle, the bottom comes loose. It's like, what handle? So anyway, as Ed showed you, pop it open, comes right out. Easy to wash. And I like to label them. I'm also going to post below the labels I'm using and the chalk marker. What I like about these particular labels, they're vinyl, and if you make a mistake, as I do all the time, you just take a little wet paper towel and wipes right off and write it again. Right? So they're great. So that's all I want to tell you today. Follow me at thisoldgal.com. I'm on Facebook at thisoldgal. Of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm going to be doing a lot of reviews. I like to review stuff. It's so much fun. Plus, I'm a gadget junkie. I have everything under the roof. Right, Ed? So,
everything is under this roof.
this very small roof. So, also you can follow me on Pinterest, Twitter, and Instagram at This Old Gal Cooks. Thanks, everyone. We hope you enjoyed this quick little video on kitchen gadgets, and I'm going to link to where you can get these awesome containers. Bye. See you next time.